The Center for Manufacturing is a non-academic unit within the College of Engineering.
However, the number of faculty that are involved in the center come from different academic units within the College of Engineering.
And they work collectively
to do research in very interesting areas that are related to manufacturing.
In summary, the center has three missions: education, research, and technical service.
The Center for Manufacturing is now 20 years old. It's a key element in the College of Engineering, and in many ways I think that it's transformed the College of Engineering through its linkage with industry.
So the Center for Manufacturing actually has a three-pronged mission. First is academics. We actually run a Master's in Manufacturing Systems program. So students learn then manufacturing processes, and they learn about lean production.
Well, the Center for Manufacturing is instrumental in bringing more manufacturing type of knowledge base to the College of Engineering. We have developed curriculum and helped influence the curriculum so that the students are getting a lot more exposure to manufacturing type topics.
The second prong is our extension. Similar to our colleagues in ag, we go out amongst the community, particularly Kentucky manufacturers, but also domestic manufacturers and even international manufacturers, and help them with their manufacturing problems.
We do that not only through the Lean Manufacturing Program, but we also do it through outreach where our engineering staff, for instance, will visit a company, give them recommendations on how to revise their manufacturing processes to be a more efficient and more competitive player in the global economy.
There's several companies that actually are pretty far along the transition, so we have to first grasp that. Then we'll work with them on developing plans and strategies of how to progress. So we'll take our courses and generate something specific to be able to help that client or that business at that point in time for what situation they need to have improved in their company to take the next step in the lean manufacturing transition.
We also work in terms of rapid prototyping, where companies will bring us early stage ideas on product development. We'll work closely with them in terms of how to design that element for manufacturability, how to design that product so that it can be designed with the least cost and the least waste by the manufacturer.
We're just sort of an additional tool in the toolbox of the manufacturers that we're here to support. We also work with entrepreneurs and inventors to help them on, from a product idea standpoint, to be able to help develop the product and refine that to be something that would be cost effective and manufacturable.
And the third prong is the research prong. So many times in these trips that we take out to local manufacturers, there are simple problems to be solved that can be solved by our extension engineers or a group of students. Then there are more complex problems, and then there are fundamental problems, research problems that have not been solved. And those we have our faculty then work on.
The faculty in the Center for Manufacturing are multidisciplinary. So we have faculty from mechanical engineering, from electrical engineering, from chemical and material science engineering, and they work collectively to help manufacturers on applied type research as well as furthering the knowledge in these manufacturing research areas.
We have research, for instance, in metal jointing, which includes welding, which includes brazing, and some very, very exciting work that's going on there is at the best of any place in the world. We do a lot of work in terms of machining, where we have very specialized facilities, and we work closely with industry in introducing new concepts in machining.
And so if you look at the research for the center, we're really working on sustainability issues then. That's the broad umbrella. Yet we're making names for ourselves, we're developing intellectual property in some of the fundamental areas of manufacturing.